Listen to this story about a little bird. His name was Pip. Pip was very small. He had soft, brown feathers. He lived in a big, green tree. His home was a warm nest. Pip lived with his mother and father. He had brothers and sisters too. Every day, Pip woke up early. The sun was bright. The sky was blue. Pip loved the sun. Pip loved the blue sky. Pip loved to fly. He flapped his tiny wings. He flew up. He flew down. He flew around the tree. It was fun to fly. Pip was a happy bird. He sang happy songs. His songs were very sweet. He saw many things. From the tree, he saw green grass. He saw colorful flowers. He saw big, gray stones. One day, Pip saw something new. It was far away. It was a big house. The house was very big. It had a red roof. It had white walls. Pip looked at the house. He saw a big, clear thing. It was a window. The window was very big. It looked like the sky. It looked like open air. Pip thought, I can fly there. He wanted to go to the window. He wanted to fly right through it. His mother saw him looking. She flew close to Pip. Pip, my dear little bird, she said, do not fly to that big, clear thing. It is a window. It is hard. Pip tilted his head. Hard? He asked. Yes, Pip. It looks open, but it is not. It is like a wall, a clear wall. You cannot fly through it. You must be careful. Pip did not fully understand. He was a very young bird. He liked to play. He liked to explore. He thought the window looked fun. He thought it looked like a clear path. He forgot his mother's words. He forgot to be careful. One sunny morning, Pip flew alone. His family was busy. They were looking for worms. Pip felt adventurous. He flew high, high in the sky. He looked down at the big house. He saw the big, clear window again. It sparkled in the sun. It looked so inviting. Pip remembered his mother's words. A little. But he thought, maybe she means other windows. This one looks so open, so clear. He flew a little closer. He flew a little faster. He was excited. He aimed for the window. He wanted to fly right through it. He wanted to see what was on the other side. He flapped his wings with all his might. Faster, faster he flew. Then, crash! Pip hit the window. Thump. It was very hard. It was not open. Pip felt a big pain. His little head hurt. His body shook. He was very scared. He fell down. Down. He landed on the green grass below the window. Pip lay there. He could not move much. He closed his eyes. He was very sad. He was very hurt. A little girl lived in the big house. Her name was Lily. Lily was a kind girl. She had bright blue eyes. She had long brown hair. She liked to play in her garden. This morning, Lily went outside. She wanted to water her flowers. She walked near the big window. Then she saw something small. It was a little bird. The bird lay on the grass. It was not moving. Lily walked closer. Oh, dear little bird, she said softly. Are you hurt? She saw that the bird was Pip. She saw his soft, brown feathers. She saw his closed eyes. Lily bent down carefully. She put out her hand. She was very gentle. She picked Pip up. Pip felt her warm hand. He opened his eyes a little. He was still scared. But Lily's hand was soft. Lily carried Pip inside the house. She took him to her room. Her room was warm and quiet. She found a small box. She put a soft cloth inside. She put Pip gently in the box. You are safe now. Little bird, she whispered. Lily got a tiny cup of water. She got a few small seeds. She put them next to Pip in the box. Pip drank a little water. He ate a few seeds. He felt a little better. He felt a little less scared. Pip looked around Lily's room. He saw many toys. He saw colorful books. He saw a bed. Then he looked at the window. It was the same big, clear window. But now Pip was inside. He could see out. He saw his big, green tree. He saw the sky. He saw his family flying. They looked for him. They called his name. Pip, Pip. Pip felt sad again. He wanted to be with his family. He wanted to fly free. He looked at the window again. From inside, it looked different. He understood now. It was clear. But it was a wall. It kept the outside. Outside. It kept the inside. Inside. It was not open. It was hard and strong. His mother was right. Pip wished he had listened. Lily saw Pip looking out the window. She saw his sad eyes. She knew he wanted to go home. She knew he missed his family. She knew he was a bird. Birds belong in the sky. Birds belong in the trees. Lily walked to the window. She carefully pushed it open. A little fresh air came in. Pip felt the breeze. His heart beat a little faster. Lily gently took Pip out of the box. She held him in her hands. She walked to the open window. Go home, little Pip, she said kindly. Be careful next time. She opened her hands. Pip was a little weak, but he could fly. He flapped his wings slowly. Then he flapped them faster. He flew out the window. He flew towards his big, green tree. His family saw him coming. They flew to meet him. Pip, Pip, you're back. They CHIRPED. They were so happy. Pip told them his story. The window, Mother, it is so hard. He said, it looks like air, but it is not. I hurt my head, but a kind girl helped me. His mother hugged him with her wing. I told you, Pip, now you know. Sometimes big things look one way, but are another. You must always be careful. You must always listen. Pip nodded his little head. He understood now. He had learned a big lesson. He flew with his family. He played in the sky. He sang his happy songs again. But now, Pip was a little wiser. He always looked carefully. He always listened to his mother. He never forgot the window. He never forgot Lily's kindness. So the little bird, Pip, learned a lot. He learned that things are not always what they seem. He learned to listen to older birds. He learned to be careful. He learned about kindness too. Pip lived a long, happy life. He was always a smart bird. He was always a careful bird.